question. If I didn't have any bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all. I'll tell you, about 5.5 years ago, I got my first DUI. I'm 64 years old now. I have a good driving record up till this past situation. And 2.5 years ago from today, I got pulled over and got a DUI for that, but I refused to blow. And then 4 days later, the same police officer pulled me over again and gave me another DUI, and again I refused to blow. Well, they have turned this over to state court now, and my my attorney had an accident last month, and he got a DUI and went to jail. It's just, I'm assuming it's going to be okay, but I have been driving on and off now for 2.5 years without my driver's license. And
Okay, Michael, I'm going to stop you right there and let Zach sort of weigh in on some of the bits and pieces that we've heard of your part of your story.
Well, towards the end there, I believe you mentioned you're driving without your driver's license. I certainly wouldn't recommend that. If you're pulled over again with a suspended license, you could face additional license suspension and heavy fines and other penalties for that as well. As far as the pending DUIs, I know he mentioned that he refused to take the breathalyzer test. The police typically will have other cues for probable cause in a situation where they pull someone over. So refusing the breathalyzer test alone, it actually can be offered as evidence of impairment in a court setting. But usually the police officer will note smelling an odor of alcohol, or even more so than that, note problems with the person's driving before the traffic stop. So the refusal to blow the breathalyzer, a lot of people think it's a kind of a silver bullet in their DUI case. It can hurt you as much as it can help you sometimes.
Interesting.
We need to take another